Hey folks, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can update your Figma interface to the brand new UI3 design, even if you haven't gotten that automatic update yet. If you've been stuck staring at the old Figma layout while everyone else seems to be enjoying the fresh new look, don't worry. After this video, you'll be running the latest version, no more waitlists or FOMO. Let's dive right in and get you set up with UI3. So first things first, if you open up Figma and notice that your interface just hasn't changed yet, you're not alone. Sometimes updates roll out in waves or Figma might skip your workspace for now, but there's a really simple workaround that'll get you going right away. All you need to do is open up your web browser. Google Chrome is the one I recommend for this process, as it tends to work the smoothest with Chrome extensions. So let's head over to Google.com, and in the search bar, type in Enable UI3 Beta for Figma extensions. This search phrase is the key. It'll bring up a Chrome extension made specifically for unlocking the UI3 Beta interface in your Figma environment. Once you spot the Chrome Web Store result for that extension, go ahead and click on it. Take a glance at the details to make sure it's the right one. It should mention UI3 Beta and reference Figma directly. When you're ready, hit that Add to Chrome button. Chrome might throw up a little confirmation window just to double-check you want to add the extension. Go ahead and confirm. This part may take a few seconds while Chrome installs the extension. Don't worry if it seems to pause or load for a moment, that's normal. What this extension is doing is simply unlocking the new interface for your account. It's totally safe, and you can always remove it later if you change your mind. With the extension installed, your next step is to head straight into your Figma account. Just open a new tab, log in, and give your interface a quick refresh if you already had it open. And there you go, you should see the brand new UI3 design applied right away. It's a pretty noticeable visual upgrade, cleaner lines, reorganized panels, and improved workspace management. Not only does it look modern, but it can help speed up your workflow, especially with how some of those new toolbars are arranged. Now, a quick note here, starting with Figma's 2025 update, every new file or account you create should get UI3 by default. So if you're new to Figma, you might already have this latest look and not even realize it. But Figma can be a little unpredictable about rolling out updates. Maybe you're working in an older team workspace, or you're on a browser where the UI just hasn't caught up yet. No worries, just use this extension trick and you'll never be left behind. Give the new UI a try, click around and see what's changed. If anything looks unfamiliar, take a little time to explore. And remember, if something seems off or you want to go back, you can always manage the extension through Chrome settings. That's it, you're now ahead of the curve with the latest Figma UI. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. If you have any questions or run into hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.